Hey baddie, welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe to my channel right now so we can become a baddie. My name is Bubbles, the baddie, and in today's video, y'all are going to watch me transform for fall. 1, 2, 3. So the first step for me to get ready, y'all see that I have my bonnet, is to get my freaking hair done.
A few moments later.
The hair that I'm using today is from KlaiyiHair. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm trying out a brown highlight wig, and I feel like there's such fall vibes because it's just brown and it's giving me fall color leaves and stuff. So I'm super excited to try this out. I had this hair color before and I loved it on myself. I had like crimps and then I straightened it a couple days later. So this time I want to do curls with layers. I feel like it's very much fall. So that's what I'm going to be giving y'all today. So let's go get this hair did, okay? So I ain't even feeling like y'all know it's a little dry earlier, but this hairstyle gave me motherfucking life. Oh my goodness, it's giving me fucking life. Who you know? This hairstyle was inspired by KlaiyiYTB. The fact that my stylist killed this shit and it's a 4x4 closure, like, who you know? Cause I'll wait. I literally thought he was gonna be like, okay, I can't do it, but you know, Klaiyi always, and I tell you always, this any style I bring to him, he does execute it, no problems, no questions, none of that. Like, y'all, Klaiyi is the motherfucking GOAT. For me to brag about him every video, y'all know that he really be killing shit. Every motherfucking video, every motherfucking week, every motherfucking install. Like, come on. Ooh, wait. No residue right there, but I look so good and I'm loving this hairstyle because it's giving me like a grown woman vibes, because that's what I am. I'm 19 now, okay? I'm not 18 no more. I'm not no little baby no more. I'm 19 on my grown woman shit, and I look so cute. I cannot wait till I get my lashes fixed so I can like really take pictures. I'm hoping I can take pictures at my nail tech's place. Yeah, but I'm just so excited about this install. I gotta thank KlaiyiHair for sending me this wig. I did not know it was 4x4, so I'm looking at it, I'm like, bitch, what the fuck? But my stylist, he really professional and he really experienced, so he knew just what to do. I'm looking at it like, oh my god, what are you gonna do? He knew just what to do, okay, baby? Like, period. Like, poo. I love looks like this. I'm not gonna be like, in the body, like the way he cut it, the way he curled it, like, he's the motherfucking GOAT. And then the thing is, he be like, oh, your hair looks so good. I'm like, you did it. Like, what did you do? That you did it. Fuck out this. Come on, baby. Oh wait,
3,000 years later.
Well, I got graduated for real just now.
Okay.
Peep me, y'all. Just, I'm telling y'all, wait till I get my lashes done. Whole fall baddie on the way, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna get my nails yet. I haven't found inspo. Yeah, I'm so excited to get these lashes done because they look horrible. So I'm gonna show you when I get to my lash appointment, because that's really gonna be the dramatic step up. Like, that's really gonna put me on motherfucking 10, okay? Okay, baddie, so I'm back from my lash appointment. As you can see, y'all, your girl, didn't I fucking tell y'all? I fucking told y'all, didn't I? Y'all, my lashes look so good. So full, so long. Like, I love them. So I really hope that these last, because I'm tired of going to get my lashes done every week. And I'm not a lash person at all. Like, I can never put on my own freaking lashes. But bro, I told y'all this was gonna be the it factor for me, and baby, it very much is. Like, now I'm giving you very much grown woman. My nails, they actually look really, really good still, but because I have this one that is broken and lifting, it was like definitely needed for me to come to this appointment. So yeah, I'm super excited to get these nails done. From getting my nails done. They are so fire, as y'all seen from the clip. They're like, I don't even know what to call these. They're really colorful. Definitely not so bling. I don't know if I want to call it confetti. It's kind of giving me nerves vibes. Definitely giving me bling. I don't know what y'all would call these, like bling confetti maybe. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. But one of them, actually, I was eating seafood. I came home, changed everything, got comfortable, and one of the little, it's actually like all different gems, but I guess it like all glued together. So I'm gonna have to see if I can put this back on. I didn't have no inspo for her, so I just like let her do whatever she wanted to, and she came up with this, and it's so fire. And the thing that I love about it is I've never seen anybody's nails like these. Like, it's so unique and so different. So yeah, I really, really love these nails. Y'all know that Manaya always does my nails. But yeah, I want to thank her, and I want to really thank my whole team. Like, today I was feeling so grateful. Like, Manaya and Klaiyi, I've been going to them for over a year now, and they just consistently slay me. Like, anytime I need a favor, or you know, hey, my schedule changed, can I come this day, or I'm running a little bit late, like they always make shit happen for me. I'm just like so appreciative of both of them so freaking much. Like, they always, like Manaya today, she took pictures for me, and she took some bomb pictures like that. Like, they are just so helpful. And like, Klaiyi really slayed my hair. And y'all, it's literally been hours, over 12 hours since I got my hair done, and y'all see that my curls are still very much there, sweetheart. Like, who you know curls hold is good. Not to mention, y'all, I've been laying down for like 2 hours when I got my lashes done, and my curls still have like not dropped. They look so good. Like, and I almost fell. They look so good. But I just love this whole look. I want to thank my whole team. Thank you, Manaya. Thank you, Klaiyi, because y'all are just so consistent and so, I don't even know, like, y'all so consistent and so reliable, and I just really appreciate y'all because y'all always slay me. Manaya, you always slay my nails, Klaiyi always slay my hair, and I just appreciate y'all so freaking much, and I hope y'all know that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm happy with the results. I'm on the transformations.